Welcome back to Tim Coleman, a space where holistic healing meets science and spirit. As a quantum energetic practitioner, I specialize in mind, body, and emotional wellness, helping people restore balance, vitality, and peace from within. Here, healing begins not just with the body, but with the emotions and energy that shape it. What if I told you that your body already knows how to heal, but it has just forgotten how to remember? There was once a woman named Alara who came to me after years of feeling drained, anxious, and utterly lost. She'd tried every medical test, every supplement, and every diet, yet nothing changed. Her doctors kept telling her she was fine, but she knew deep down that something was wrong. When she first sat in my studio, her eyes looked heavy, her breath was shallow, and her voice was barely a whisper. I asked her one simple question, the same one I ask everyone who comes to me for healing: when was the last time you truly felt at peace inside your own body? Alara just smiled sadly and said, "I don't remember." So we began not with medicine or movement, but with silence. I guided her to close her eyes, breathe slowly, and just listen to the quiet hum that lives beneath every heartbeat. It was there that we began to awaken what I call the cellular memory, the deep intelligence within, that knows how to heal, to restore, and to realign. As the session deepened, something truly remarkable began to happen. Tears started streaming down her face, but she wasn't sad. She told me she could feel a warmth moving through her chest, as if her body was remembering something long forgotten. A gentle sound frequency played softly in the background, resonating at 2,851 Hz, the frequency of regeneration and renewal. It was then that I told her the truth. The body doesn't heal when we fight it, it heals when we listen to it. The tension she had been feeling wasn't a sickness. It was her body's way of asking for her attention. A week later, she came back glowing. Her energy had shifted completely. But here's the twist: she hadn't just healed herself. Her husband, who had been struggling with chronic pain, told her that ever since her energy changed, he started feeling better too. Healing, she realized, was contagious. When one person begins to realign their inner harmony, everyone around them feels it. That is the true power of energy. It ripples outward into the world. So I ask you, what if your healing could heal someone else too? Take a deep breath right now, feel your heartbeat, and remember, your body is not broken, it is just waiting for you to remember how powerful you truly are. If this story resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe healing energy can ripple beyond the self? Your comment might just inspire someone else to start their own journey. Thank you for watching.